11th Rabi'ul Awwal, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyidina Bishr Hafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, the great saint and leader of the pious, Hazrat Sayyidina Bishr Hafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, was born in 150 Hijri in Maru, Khurasan, Iran. He was the student of highly esteemed saints and scholars like Hazrat Fuzail bin Iyaz and Abdullah bin Mubarak, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhima. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was a man of divine love and was granted divine knowledge. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh used to remain lost in the visions of the Beloved and overcome by divine love to such an extent that he would not even have the consciousness to put on his shoes. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh would remain in such a state in which he was not able to see anything other than the vision of Allah Azza wa Jal. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was well known for his asceticism and marvels. There was great respect for him in people's hearts. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was a great leader of the people and a spiritual guide for the nation. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was a unique personality of his time. His name brings comfort to the hearts. His sayings are extraordinary and are an eternal treasure. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh states, if you do not possess the power to worship Allah Azza wa Jal, then do not sin by disobeying Him. The leader of the pious, Hazrat Sayyidina Bishr Hafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, passed away at the age of 75 on the 11th of Rabi'ul Awwal 227 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Baghdad, Iraq. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
ये